this morning, just asking where the fuck I'm at. Up this morning, just asking where the fuck I'm at. If I got plans, I passed them. Last night I wasted my money to have some drinking. Have some drink in my cup that I drink way too fast. Then I start thinking about you. What I start thinking about you. Then I hit Wendy's to cop me some fast food. Drowning my what problem, huh? Face it, I wanna say something, but I just say it. This morning just asking where the fuck I'm at. If I got plans, I passed. I wasted my money to have. Then I start thinking about you. What I start thinking about you. Then I hit Wendy's to cop me some fast food. Drowning my sorrow. Then I start to probably be fucking mistaken. And just to be honest, I knew you was taken. Girl, you a problem. Face it, I wanna say something, but I just woke up this morning just asking. If I got plans, I passed them. Last night I wasted my some drink in my cup that I drank way too fast about you. Thinking about you. Then I hit Wendy's to cop me some fast food. Drowning my sorrow. Then I start to text you. Probably be fucking mistaken. And just to be honest, I knew you was taken. Girl, you a problem, huh? Face it, I wanna say something, but I just. This morning just asking what passed up. Last night I wasted my money. Then I start thinking about you. What I start thinking about you. Then I hit Wendy's to cop me some fast food. Drowning my sorrow. Then I start to I got plans, I passed them. Last night I wasted my money to have some drink in my cup that I drink way too fast. Thinking about you. Thinking about you. Then I hit Wendy's to cop me some fast food. Drowning my sorrow. Then I start to text you. I knew you was taken. Girl, you a problem, huh? Face it, I wanna say something, but I just. Morning just asking where the fuck I'm at. If I got plans, I passed them. Last night I wasted my money to have some drink in my cup that I drink way too fast. Then I start thinking about you. What I start thinking about you. Then I hit Wendy's to cop me some fast food. Drowning my sorrow. Then I start to text you. Probably be fucking mistaken. And just to be honest, I knew girl you a problem. I wanna say something, but I just. Just asking where the fuck I'm at. If I got plans, I passed them. Last night I wasted my money to have some drink in my cup that I drink way too fast. Then I start thinking about you. What I start thinking about you. Then I hit Wendy's to cop me some fast food. Drowning my sorrow. Then I start to text you. Probably be fucking mistaken. And just to be honest, I knew you was taken. Girl, you a problem. Face it, I wanna say something, but I just. Woke up this morning just asking where the fuck I'm at. If I got plans, I passed them. Last night I wasted my money to have some. About you. Then I hit Wendy's to cop me some fast food. Drowning my sorrow. Then I start to text you. Probably be fucking mistaken. And just to be honest, I knew you was taken. Girl, you a problem, huh? Face it, I wanna say something, but I just. Woke up this morning just asking where the fuck I'm at. If I got plans, I passed them. Last night I wasted my money about you. Then I hit Wendy's.